Warren Buffett. One book, one lesson that changed everything. Imagine a man who, over the span of more than 50 years, wrote letters not just to shareholders but to the world, sharing timeless wisdom on business, investing and life. That man is Warren Buffett. And his letters became the foundation of one of the most insightful investing books ever written, The Essays of Warren Buffett, Lessons for Corporate America. But if we had to pull just one golden thread from these pages, one lesson that echoes louder than the rest, it is this: think like an owner, not a trader. This simple idea changed the way we see investing forever. You see, Buffett doesn't treat stocks like tickets to a lottery. He doesn't jump into markets hoping for quick wins or follow the hype of the day. Instead, he buys pieces of real companies. Companies with strong foundations, trusted brands, and loyal customers. Businesses that don't just survive, they thrive through decades. Picture it like this. When Buffett buys a share, he imagines owning the whole business. He asks himself, if I couldn't sell this stock for 10 years, would I still want to own this company? If the answer is yes, he's interested. If not, he walks away. This mindset, this deep sense of ownership, shapes every decision he makes. During market crashes, when panic spreads like wildfire, most investors rush to sell. But Buffett, he stays calm. He knows the market is just a voting machine in the short term, but a weighing machine in the long term. The value of a great business doesn't vanish because the stock price dips, and that's why, while others panic, he often buys more. Because buying during fear is where true opportunity lies. Now, what kind of companies does Buffett look for? He calls them companies with a moat. Not the kind of moat that surrounds a castle, but a competitive advantage, a protection that keeps rivals away. It could be a beloved brand like Coca-Cola, a trusted financial institution like American Express, or a tech giant like Apple. These moats aren't just barriers, they are economic fortresses that protect profits year after year. Buffett's approach is patient, almost poetic. He once said, "Our favourite holding period is forever." This is more than a strategy, it's a philosophy, a way to see investing not as a game of chance but as a commitment to value and quality. His letters also teach us humility and honesty. He openly shares mistakes, reminding us that even the greatest investors fail. But what sets Buffett apart is his ability to learn and adapt without losing sight of his core principles. The lessons in the essays aren't wrapped in complex jargon or secret formulas. They are simple truths told with clarity and depth. Be disciplined, be patient, understand what you own, think long term, focus on value, not price. But Buffett's wisdom goes beyond just numbers and business models. He teaches us about character, the importance of integrity and trust in every deal, every handshake, every partnership. For Buffett, investing is not just about profit, it's about respecting people and building relationships that last. That's why he surrounds himself with honest managers and companies that operate with transparency. Because true wealth isn't just measured in dollars, it's measured in reputation and trust. And finally, Buffett's story is a powerful reminder that anyone can learn to invest wisely. You don't need to be a genius or have insider secrets. You need patience, discipline, and a willingness to keep learning. He started as a curious boy in Omaha with a passion for numbers and a clear mind, not much different from many of us. His journey shows that with the right mindset, consistent effort, and a long-term vision, building wealth is not a dream, it's an achievable reality. In a world obsessed with instant results, Buffett's wisdom feels like a quiet voice from the past, urging us to slow down and think deeply. So, the next time you face a financial decision, ask yourself, am I trading on emotion and speculation, or am I investing with the mindset of an owner, committed for the long haul? Because in the end, Warren Buffett's greatest secret isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. And sometimes, the best investment you can make is to simply hold on and let the power of patience work its magic. The Essays of Warren Buffett. One lesson, a lifetime of wisdom. Subscribe for more timeless investing stories.